Hey everyone, it's Tiana. So I'm back with another video. So in this video, I used the box of crayons palette from the Crayon case and also the Boss Move palette from Morphe. And I put that red shade into my crease. I packed that all to my crease using windshield wiper motions. And then I used the concealer from Colourpop and the shade 𝚿𝚁𝙾𝚃. Put that in to cut my crease. And yeah. And then I'm going to take the shimmer shade from the Boss Move palette, put that onto my cut crease. I don't know what the name of the shade is. Morphe doesn't put the names on the palette, and I don't keep the plastic sheet. So I'm sorry that I don't know what the color is, but it's like the second color on the second line. So if that helps you. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. And then I'm going back in with that red shade again just to blend out, to give me a nice blend between the cut crease and my shadow so it won't look obvious. And then I'm going to also go in with a smaller brush just to make my cut crease a little bit defined with the red shade again. And then I'm going to do my face. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation in 420. I know I realized I put a lot of foundation on. I think I used more than 2 pumps. But yeah, I fixed it in the end. And I'm going to put that all over my face. And I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and 𝚿𝚁𝙾𝚃 and 𝚿𝚁𝙾𝚃 and put that to highlight and under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Then to contour, I use the NYX foundation stick, which they don't sell anymore. That's discontinued. And then after I blended out my contour, I set my contour with the It's My Rêve palette, and I put that set that my contour in place. Wow, I don't know why I'm tongue-tied. I'm sorry. And then to set my contour, to set my highlight, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty setting powder and put that on my highlighted areas. I love this setting powder. I've tried so many, but this is my favorite. And then after I do that, I'm going to take the Colourpop blush in Cheerios. I like that. Put that on my cheekbones. And then I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting mist. And then the highlight I took was it's called Moonlight, and it's my Rare palette as well. And then I tried to do a Christmas hat on my eyebrow, over my eyebrow. So I used the NYX jumbo pencil, and I used concealer because I don't have any white eyeliner, which is very crazy. So I did the bottom of the hat with concealer and the NYX jumbo pencil, and I used a liner brush to do that. And then I didn't have red liner as well, so the one I have, it doesn't come out right. So it's by Colourpop. I don't like that, but I use lipstick from Colored Rain in the color I forgot what it's called, but yeah, I used that to fill it in, so it is lipstick. And then I went back in with the jumbo pencil again just to make that ball at the end of the snow hat. So yeah. I took my favorite nude lip combo, which is MAC Chestnut liner and Dose of Colors Knock on Wood. And this is the finished look. I actually enjoyed making this look, so if you want to see more Christmas looks, let me know, and I hope to see you in my next one.